Hi, we're at my newest listing at 4208 Stratford Commons in Decatur, Georgia. Stunning renovated condo in Stratford Commons. Open floor plan, kitchen updated with white cabinets and granite countertops, plus a large pantry. Separate dining area and living room with large windows overlooking the woods. Private balcony with gorgeous view. Master bedroom features custom walk-in closet. Bathroom with garden tub and shower combo. Hardwood floors throughout living spaces. A hidden gem of a gated community featuring lovely amenities including a pool, fitness center, outdoor fireplace, and club room. Buildings have elevator access, making the unit easily accessible. Deeded parking space steps from the front door. Storage unit included. One detail you should not miss about this unit is its custom closet. You open the door, the light comes on. It has all these custom built-ins, including a wall of shoes.